Hey guys, what's up? Big girl Patreon. Here with Patsy's second review, and today I'll be reviewing the Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Serum. What a long name. This baby here contains peptides that is part of their CL 1870 laser focus complex, meaning it's like reading it out loud. It's something that helps to boost the skin strength or a smoother appearance using their laser focus complex, includes self-assembly, neuropeptide, and signaling peptides. Anyway, guys, they just use a bunch of different peptides that works to help improve your skin barrier and make your wrinkles and fine line look a lot smoother. I've been testing it out for a little bit, and a little bit goes a long way. And let me just show you how it looks like. It is more like a heavier serum, and if you're gonna like layer it with other serum, this probably should go on last before your moisturizer just because it's on the thicker side. I like to use a fan speed up the drying process for my skincare in between application. Contain retinoid that help to reduce fine line and wrinkles, and also hyaluronic acid to instantly hydrate and plump the skin. Because again, guys, prevention is the best medicine, and it's something that I've been doing for years. But yeah, guys, I'm definitely gonna be recommending the serum here. It's super good, very rich, so it's something you want to use in your nighttime skincare routine. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!